So today also same story, but today we are going to discuss about a YAML scripting. What is it?
YAML.
YAML. So
Yesterday,
how to deploy? Sorry,
Sandeep, last time we did in Classic, right?
last session.
Last session we did in Classic pipeline, right?
Yes, we're done with the classic pipeline, right?
Okay.
How to deploy Azure DevOps pipeline using YAML script. Got it? So what is mean by YAML? YAML is nothing but at any markup language. What it is? YAML.
Any
YAML, right? Yet any
markup language.
markup language. So generally what we are doing in the classic model, so we are adding the task, right? Restore, build, publish and publish artifacts, right? Is that no? So
Yes.
what we are doing first, we are going to create a pipeline, build pipeline, then you're going to create a release pipeline, then you're going to give the continuous integration and continuous deployment triggers, right? So by using this, we are going to do the Azure doors automatically. Okay, so we are going to create a build and release pipeline at a time. It's clear, and automatically it is going to create a build and release. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, Sandeep.
Same story here also. Create virtual mission for agent. So what is the agent? Agent is nothing but is going to run the jobs. Okay, it's clear. Then you're going to create a web apps and you're going to create a CI/CD pipeline using Azure, using YAML. Push create .NET application in desktop. Push the code to Azure DevOps, right? Azure repo. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sandeep.
Let's let's jump into the session, right? First, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to log into the portal.azure.com. I'm going to create a resource group. So first I'm going to create a resource group. Create a resource group. I'll give the resource group name as Azure Training. Next, thanks, and finally review and create. After that, we are going to create a virtual network. I'll go with the virtual networks. Create a virtual network, and there is virtual network name is Azure Training VNet. Next, 10.0.0/16, and you're going to take this subnet Azure Training subnet 10.10.1.0/24. So click on save. Next, thanks, and finally review and create. After creating the VNet, what we need to create? Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sandeep. Subnets and virtual machine.
After creating the virtual network and subnet, we are going to create a
Virtual machine.
Solution.
virtual machine. I'm going to create a Azure virtual machine, and I'm going to select the resource group, Azure training, and the virtual machine name is next mission. Region East US, availability zone, no infrastructure redundancy required, and security type I'm making as a standard. I just select like Ubuntu or Red Hat, right? I'll go with the Red Hat. I'll go with the Ubuntu. And CPU, 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM. Password, I'll give the username is India. Password is India at the 12345 and India at the 12345. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
Add the post HTTPS, next disk, standard SSD, next networking, next management, next monitoring, disable, next advanced, next thanks, and finally review. And finally, you have to click on create.
देखो 1 2 3 4 4 बैंक है मेरे पास राइट దగ్గర ఉందా దగ్గర ఓయ్ పన్నెండు రెండు నా దగ్గర ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్
Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Next, I'm going to create a web apps, right? So I'll go with an app services. To create a web, I'm going to select the resource group name as the training, and the instance name is DSFS. You can give any name here, and unique default host, let's make it like unique. Is getting from container or code, just make it like code here. Runtime .NET 8. Is it clear? So you know that,
Yes.
right? And the command prompt, you have to check the .NET version. .NET -.
iPhone version.
You can check the .NET version here. In the last session, we explained you, right, how to install the .NET.
Yes.
You can select
Yes.
any region here. That is not a deal. And pricing, you can go with the free trial. Click on next database. Create a database not required. Next deployment. Disable. Next networking. Next monitoring. Next thanks and finally review.
చదవాలి.
Is it clear?
ఆయన నీది వేరే నాది వేరే అనుకుంటున్నా.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah.
Yes, Sandeep.
Are you getting any disturbance?
ఆయనకు పెట్టినారా డైరెక్ట్ నీకు పెడతా
Hello?
Background.
Yeah, background.
Hello?
Yeah, no, it's fine, Sandeep.
So here I have created the Linux mission and we have created the web apps, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'll go to the Google and search for the dev.azure.com/ you can give your organization name. Okay. And you have to create a project name. So what is the project name? You can give any name. I'll give the test project and I'll give this .NET application. So I'm going to select here advanced, like just make it like private, create a repository. Is it clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
So here you don't have any files here. I want to push the files from here. In the desktop, I'm going to create a folder. In the command prompt, I'll go with the change direct to the desktop. You already know it, right? In the last session, I explained you, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
Sandeep.
first you have to install the .NET. So .NET -version. You have to check the .NET version, and you have to create a application.
.NET
new SLN
SLN.
-o
So,
hello world. Or you
test.
can give like, or you can give anything. I'll give the test. Okay. Solution file is created. Change direct to the
Test.
test. .NET new MVC -n
Hello world.
hello world dot
web.
web. So we have created the web application. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
So clear the screen.
No, sir. No, sir.
You can see the directory files here. Sorry, here you have the hello world.web. The desktop, you have the test. In the test, you have the hello world.web. In the hello world.web, I have all the files. Change directory to the hello world.web. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
No, sir.
Here you have all the files here. So now I want to move all these files to the Azure repo, right?
Yes.
First, you have to give the command git init. So it is initialize the git. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Git is it is created one. .NET Git is an hidden file. Okay. Now I want to move all these files to the Azure repo. Git init, git status. Git status is nothing but you are going to get all untracked files. What is that?
Untracked files.
Nothing added to commit, but untracked files are present. So use git add to track it. Git
Yeah.
Add dot.
dot. So we're going to add all the files. Once you add it, git status, you can see that. Git status, it is all the tracker, right? Previously
Yes.
it is in the red color, now it is in the green color, right?
Green color. Yes.
Git commit -m first commit.
First commit.
So where I want to push here, right? Copy this. Git remote add origin. Okay. I'm pushing to the FNU origin node. You can see that you're getting all the files here. Before that, you have to do the configuration. In the last session, I explained you, right, how to do the configuration in the GitHub account. Yes, or no?
Yes. Yes.
At least
Yes.
you have to create one GitHub account. You have to configure your account. Okay. Git remote username, Git remote add origin,
Add. Yes.
Git remote email ID, right? Yes, sir. In the last session we discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Azure
Yes, sir.
DevOps, right? In the last session, I have given all the steps here. You can go through it here, right? Git
Yes.
config
Yes.
-hyphen global user dot name, git config user dot name, and git remote set URL, right?
Yes.
Then you're getting all the files here, right? Yes or no? I'm going to create a build and pipeline. So first I will show you the classic, okay? So before going to do the classic, first I'm going to I'm going to make it as an agent. Linux mission. I'll just copy the public IP. I'll try to access by using the
Good.
putty. Login as India. Password is India at the rate of 1234556. Okay. Right click, change settings, appearance, and change. Are you able to follow me?
Yes. Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
First, you have to update the mission, right? Sudo su hyphen. Sorry, I want to exit, right? Clear. Sudo apt update -y. Is it clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
After
Yes, sir.
installing that, I'm going to install apt install. What are the things I'm installing? Wget, git, unzip, tar -y. Apt install wget, git, unzip, tar, and
Hyphen.
sorry, this is sudo apt. Okay.
ఆహా మెటల్ మీరు లీడ్ నేర్చుకోవాలి మళ్ళీ కొత్త దానిలో వేపిస్తాను
Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
So actually we are running the .NET application, right? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
So we have to install the .NET also. Install .NET in Ubuntu. So what is the mission? 20.0.5, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Install the .NET Ubuntu 20.04. Install Ubuntu, and you have to get the packages. You can see here 20.04. I'll just the packages here. Clear? Then you're going to install it. How to install? And this is the installation page. And here you have to install the runtime. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then you can go ahead here. I'll just copy this, and you can run this command also. Clear? And then you're going to copy this .NET install.
హలో రావాలా హలో
Are you getting any background voice?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sandeep.
.NET hyphen version, right? Now it's clear, right? You're getting the .NET. We have installed the .NET also, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm going to make this mission as an agent. Product settings, Agent pools. I have some default one I'm deleting. Add pool. Self-hosted, I'm doing the pool name is test pool. Okay. Create. In this, I want to create agents. You have already agent. I'm going to create a new agent. So what is the mission? It's a Linux mission, right? Our mission is right. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll just copy this. Wget. After that, make directory and change the directory. Okay, how to create agent? I'll explain how to create. Before that, wget. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
After that, and you have to extract the file. We have installed the tar and all these things, right? Yes, you have to extract it. If it is not working, sudo app update -y sudo app install unzip git tar wget -y. Okay. Sudo app install unzip git tar wget -y. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
I'm going to extract the file. After extracting, you have to do the configuration. Config.sh. Accept the terms and accept. Server URL is nothing but you can give your organization URL.
Organization.
And enter the authentication type. Press enter for the personal access token. Enter. So where you have to create a personal access token, here you can go here. Personal access token. New token.
Okay.
Can give any name. Test. Full access. Expiry. Custom
Custom.
defined. For only for today means you can create like 15. I'll just copy. I'll paste here. So agent press enter for default, not default. I'll give the pool name as test pool. Okay. Agent name is test agent.
Stage.
So enter. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This you have to run it slash dot run dot sh. Okay. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it's going to listen the jobs. So generally you can go with an Azure DevOps. I'll show you first .NET application, right? I'll go to take the new pipeline. Duplicate. For example, first I'll show the classic editor. In the classic editor, if it is not showing, you have to go to project settings. In the settings, you have to disable this
Enable.
option. Disable the creation of classic build.
Classic build.
Okay, you have to disable it. Okay. So then repose pipelines, I'll go with the build pipeline. So generally create a pipeline, use the classic editor.
Classic.
And what is the repository? .NET applications are repository. Click on
Continue.
continue. So we here what we are doing here, we are adding the ASP.NET Core, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ASP.NET Core. Here what we are doing here, we are going to select the agent pool, test pool. Yes or no?
Yes.
get source already we have given agent. What is the agent name? Testful. And you have to the restore. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Build, test. I'm not taking the test right now.
Yes.
Publish and publish artifacts, right? So generally this is what we are doing in the build pipeline, right? The same
Yes.
thing I want to do it in the YAML scripting. You have to go to the repos, sorry, pipelines, and you have to go with the
Pipeline.
pipelines,
Create.
create pipeline.
Yeah,
And
man.
here you can see the YAML, right? Yet any markup language, right? So here you have
Yes.
to select the Azure repo. So wherever you have the repositories, whether it's in a Bitbucket or in the Azure repo or GitHub enterprise servers or other Gits or some versions, we have a different repositories, right? And you have to select the
Yes.
Azure repo Git. And where is in the Azure repo Git, how many applications are there? I have only one code, right? That is nothing but
Yes.
.NET application. Show more. Here you have to select the ASP.NET. Or what is that?
ASP.
ASP.NET.
Yes. .NET.
So by default, you have the pool, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Pool is nothing but agent. Directly, if you have the agent, you can give. But what we have created a self-hosted agent, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Self-hosted agent YAML. You can go with an Azure DevOps pipeline, and here you can see that. Got it? Yeah. This is the pool name. What is the pool name? Test pool. What is
Test.
created, right? What is the
Yes.
agent
Yes.
name?
Test
Test
agent.
agent.
Test agent.
So here, what are the tasks we are having here? What are the tasks we are having here? Restore, build,
Build.
publish,
Publish.
publish artifacts.
Publish artifact.
Already we have given the agent. What is the agent here? Self-hosted agent, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Testful and demands agent. Yes or no? We have taken from here. This is a testful agent. So what you have to give the restore here, right? Yes or no? We have the steps here. Better to take this configuration. Build configuration. What is it? Keep aside, okay? I'm just deleting all these things up to steps, okay? So these are the steps. Restore, build, publish, and publish artifacts. Are you able to follow me? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Show assistant. And you have to select the .NET code. So what I'm trying to do, build. What is it? So which
Build.
account it is? 3724 or what it is? Okay. 327. Okay. So I have to select the read is insufficient. Okay. I'm going to authorize. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
So you have to select the build. Build, you have to select this is a build. Sorry, first you have to do the restore. What is it? Restore.
Restore.
Dot slash dot CS project. What is that? Why? Because let me tell you, explain you. In the desktop, you have the test application, right? In the test, we have the hello world. In the hello world, what file you want to get here? .cs project file. What is it? You can see here starlet.cs project. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
Hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, Sandeep.
So here you have to select the project file. You have to select here. You have to keep the cursor here. So nothing is there. I have authenticated. I have select the command restore star means in the test you have the hello world. In the hello world you have the file name. Star is nothing but file name dot cs project file. What is it? CS. You can see the program file here, right? Is that no?
Yes.
.cs project file. So just restore is nothing but it's going to restore the complete application. Here by default you got the script. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
So while you are getting from here, automatically it is go to here. Okay, just you have to take the backspace and down. Okay, I'm giving the space between the one task to another task. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
After restore, what I need to do? Build also same thing. You have to build and you have to give the path and you have to give the argument. Okay, so what is that? .NET Core service connection 3 to 7. What is the path here? Same path. Start CS
CS.
proj. And what is the configuration? This is the build configuration. Got it? Hello? Argument.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
Configuration,
Sandeep.
I'm going to do the build configuration. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
No,
So here you
Sandeep.
have to select here and you have to add it. After the build, what you have to do?
Backspace
Build,
and build release.
restore,
Publish.
build, publish.
Publish.
So when you're selecting the publish.NET connection and you have to select the publish. And publish, you have to give the build configuration. What is it here? You can see that configuration, build configuration, as well as you have to get the output. What do you have to get? You have to get the
Output.
output where you are getting build.artifactory staging directory. What is that? So generally where you are going to get this means, let me show you. Update publish is there. What is that? Publish, copy and publish artifacts is there, right? Is that no? I'm not
Yes.
selecting this. Generally this you have to take it. Okay, for this what I'm taking here, build artifact staging. Got it?
Yes.
Output is equal to build dot. First you have to copy this configuration file .NET Core pay as you go. Now what it is? Publish. What is it?
Publish.
Publish. And you have to give the arguments. What are the arguments? Configuration, build configuration, hyphen. You can get the
Oh.
output also. You get the output and build dot artifact staging directory. What is that? You can directly
Staging
copy. You can copy directly. Okay. Any doubts here? Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
No, Sandeep.
It's a build configuration. Build configuration. Got it? Just you have to select here.
Add.
That. What is it here? What are the configuration we are doing? We are getting the output for the staging directory. What is that? Artifact staging directory.
Directly.
And finally, what I'm going to do? We're done with a restore, build, publish, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Finally, what you have to get?
Publish.
Publish artifacts. So you can select the publish, copy and publish artifacts. Got it?
Yes, Sandeep.
Copy the root. What
Yes,
is the root you are having? What is the root you are having here? You have to select the publish artifacts. What is that?
Publish artifacts.
Yeah, artifact name and all these things. You have to give the content. What is the content here? Build publish artifacts, staging directory. Got it? We have
Yes.
taken here, right? Same thing. Artifact name. Yeah, you have to give the artifact directory. Got it? Hello?
Yes, Sandeep.
You have to give the content. You have the artifact directory. Okay. Any doubts here?
No,
Artifact
sir.
name, server. Not this one actually. Publish
Artifact.
build artifacts, not copy and publish. Okay. Sorry. Hello. I already told you, right? So this you can directly take it here. Hello.
Yeah, Sandeep.
yes, Sandeep.
You have to copy this generally. Okay, back. I'm not taking this task, for example. Are you able to follow me? .NET Core, and you have to select the pay as you go, and you have to select the publish, and you have to give the output here. Okay. So what is the output here? Hyphen output. Any doubts here? Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
No, Sandeep.
And before that, you have to give the configuration file, right? This is the configuration file. Any doubts? Any
No,
doubts here?
Sandeep. No, Sandeep.
Now you can give here and click on add. And finally, what you have to do? .NET Core, as you go. Just go ahead. You have to select the publish. And you have to give the publish and publish build artifacts. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes, Sandeep.
You need not to give anything here. Just you have to give the build artifact. Staging directory already we have given. Artifact name drop. And you have to select the Azure pipeline. Just you have to add it. Okay. Any doubts or any questions here?
No,
Any doubts or any questions here?
No, Sandeep.
And finally, you're going to add the web apps. You have to select the Azure App Services deployment. Submission, pay as you go. App service name. You have created app services, right? DSF test. Any doubts here? Any
No,
doubts
sir.
here? And virtual appliance. And here is system.default working directory is there, right? Don't take it default. And you have to take it like artifact staging directory. What is that?
Artifact staging directory.
So already we have the artifact right here. Yes or no?
Yes.
You have to copy from here to here. And you have to copy from here to here. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Click on add. Shall I explain it again? Is it clear?
Oh, explain it again, sir.
Okay, I'm deleting everything.
Oh, Sandeep, you're writing the code from scratch, right? Or is there anything right to code?
I'm writing from scratch. Okay, you can see here.
Okay.
Once again, I'm explaining you.
Okay.
Create a pipeline. Okay. What I'm selecting here, Azure Git repo, right?
Okay. Okay.
.NET application. Just a moment. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm again, I'm explaining from the scratch onwards. Okay. Create a pipeline. Okay. Guys, are able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Azure Git repo, .NET application, show more, and you have to select the ASP.NET Core. Okay. First, you have to select the. So generally, you have the agent, right? Yes or no? For this
Yes.
agent, generally, if you have the default agent, you can give the default. But what I'm using here, I'm using the self-hosted agent, right? For this, I have taken script. This is a script for the self-hosted agent. This is a test pool, and this is a
Test agent.
test agent. So here you have the two things we require. Generally, we require the build configuration, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Configuration, build configuration. I'm just copying this aside. So what are the tasks we are going to have? First, we are going to have the restore, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Show
Yes.
assistant, .NET Core, service connection. You have to select the restore. Okay. So what is the path here? */*star.cs project file. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
I'm going to give like ***. I'm going to give the project file. You have to select here and click on add. Then after that, after restore,
Build.
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 .NET Core, service connection. You have to select the build. Okay. What is the argument here? What is the path? */*star.cs
We
project file. Okay. What is the argument here? Build configuration. What is it?
build configuration.
Is it clear? Then you have to
Yes.
add it. After restore and build, what I need to do?
Publish.
Publish. So before going to the publish, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to take the
Publish artifact.
publish build artifacts. Okay. I'm going to select this. I'll copy and I'll keep aside. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
-, output build artifact staging directory. Again, I'm getting back .NET Core. I'm going to select the publish. Resource manager, pay as you, and arguments. What is the argument here? Configuration, build configuration, output build artifact staging directory. Any doubts here?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts here?
No, sir.
I'm going to select here. I'm going to add it. And finally, publish. What is it?
Publish.
Publish, build artifacts.
Artifacts.
Drop Azure pipeline, drop artifacts and click on add. Any doubts or any questions here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now what I'm doing here, finally, web apps. So what is a web apps? Web apps, Azure App Services deploy, submission, as you go. So this is app services, where it is? App services,
Web.
DSF test.
DSF.
And here you can see that these are Windows, right? Yes or no? In Canada Central, it is a Windows operating system. So what I'm selecting here, there is a one file here, DSF test. So here behalf of default, what is the default is there? I'm deleting everything. I'll give this build artifact staging. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
Now I'll just go here. I'll keep the cursor here.
Add.
So click on add. Efficient web app, DSS and build artifact staging directory.c. So any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
So click on
7.
save and run. 7. You can see the jobs. Click on jobs. View. Permit. So you can see here it's going to execute, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what are the application I'm telling you, right? Don't know, not only doing practice this, okay? Take few applications from the GitHub
Okay.
and check, try to deploy them and what is the errors you are getting, try to resolve them, okay? You have to do all these things. This is very, very important. If you know this topic, you are good at CI/CD pipeline, okay? So at least if someone give like KT or something like that, you can able to easily understand, okay? So these are the tasks and this is the jobs and these are the things are running and how to create a agent. So you will get all these things.
Sandeep, writing the code from scratch in the sense just what you did, it is zero.
Yes. Did I copy it from anywhere?
No,
Did I copy it?
no.
So here we are getting some issue with Azure. Final logs are missing. This can be happen cancelled. Service connection is a test and trying to update the app service application settings and website run from package 1. Skoda application settings. Okay, we have some issue with this thing. If people check it, okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What's edit the pipeline? Azure RM, PS, web apps, DSF test, and build authentication. Build artifact staging directory, right? Oh, everything is fine, right? Check why you are getting this error. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So create a web apps. Then select the pay as you go. Azure tab pay web on Windows. App name DSF test. Okay. And staging directory. This is the staging directory. Artifact. Build artifact. Sorry. Where is your file? This is the build artifact staging directory. Mm-hmm. You have to give the permits here actually. You're getting any errors here? Okay. Already it is running the other job. Okay. Hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
It is publishing, but it is not deploying in the web apps. You can see that restore, publish, and publish artifacts is done.
Yes.
Check why you're getting this error. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay,
nothing
Sandeep.
and why you're getting this error, and please let me know that here it's any Sandeep. Log files and error failed to deploy web packages to website to forbidden 4G error. Check this error and let me know. Okay. Hello, guys.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
Sandeep.
sir.
And one
Okay,
more
sir.
thing, you can do any changes here. You can go with views and home, index, right click, open with Visual Studio Code. In the place of hello world, I'm giving like hello world web. Okay. In the welcome, right? I'm going to give like welcome to Azure DevOps.
DevOps.
I'll just click on file save, save all. I'll just close the file. I'll just go with the path. Okay. Git status, git add, git commit, -m, git commit, -m,
Second
second
commit.
commit. Okay. Git remote, add origin, or else you can do the git push, -u, origin, all. Git remote, add origin. Repos, git remote, add origin. Ting, ting, git remote, add origin. Okay. Git push, -u, origin, master. So updated or rejected because the remote contains the works that you have done. Okay. You're getting some error here, right? Is or no?
Yes,
So what
Sandeep.
is the error it is telling
Yes.
here? Before you want to do something, you have to match with the existing one. You have to do the git pull. Okay. Is it clear? I'll explain you these things afterwards. git push -u origin master, right? Now we can see that automatically it's going to create a pipeline here. You can see the pipeline here
Yes.
for the second commit. You can see here. This is for the second commit, not for the first commit. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, Sandeep.
No, Sandeep.
This is for the second commit, okay? Okay, guys, tomorrow we can continue the session and go through it and why you're getting this error and check all these things, okay?
Okay, Sandeep.
Okay, Sandeep.
And Sandeep shared this recording.
I'll do it right now. Once you've done the practice, please delete the things, okay?
Okay.
And don't forget to do these things. Why? Because if you're just keeping like this, amount is going to charge from your account, okay? It's going to be, yeah. I think so. You got a clear idea, right? How to create a build and release pipeline by
Yes,
using
yes,
the
Sandeep.
classic editor as well as by using
YAML.
by using the YAML.
Yes, sir.
So in the real time, you're going to create a YAML scripting. In few companies, you're going to use the classic editor, but in most of the companies, we're going to use the YAML scripting, right?
And
So
Sandeep,
you,
one more.
Yeah.
What do you mean by migrating the classic pipeline to YAML pipeline?
this is the way. Just now I told you, right?
I mean, migrating in the sense, same we are
Yeah,
check.
you have to create a YAML script.
Okay.
So means I think so that companies already have a classic pipeline. You have to
Okay.
write the YAML scripting for the classic pipeline and what are the
Okay, okay.
tasks they given. I just know you can see that I'm using the classic pipeline. I have taken all the commands and using that
Yes.
I have created the YAML scripting, right? In the same way
Yes.
you have to do it, okay? So based on that classic pipeline, you have to go through it and what are the tasks they have given, what are the commands they have given, what are the arguments they have given, and you have to take all the input from there, and based on that you can create a YAML scripting.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.